Welcome to the Cabbage Carnival. Look at all this fun. We've got dancing cabbage floats, confetti everywhere, and so many colourful balloons. I'm Christy Marie, and today we're celebrating one of the best veggies for your tummy. Cabbage. Why is it so great? Because it's packed with fibre. Imagine these little smiling helpers inside your belly, keeping everything moving smoothly and making you feel fantastic. That's what fibre does. And look, here come our stars, the purple and green cabbages. They're both super healthy. Did you know purple cabbage can do magic? If you boil it, the water turns blue. Then add a little lemon juice and watch it turn pink. It's a super fun science experiment you can try at home. All right, everyone, are you ready to join the parade? Let's all stand up and shake like a cabbage. Wiggle those leaves. Thanks for joining the Cabbage Carnival. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more veggie fun by